Are you ready?
Hello, I am Sakibul Islam Naim, a passionate learner and technology enthusiast pursuing my bachelor's degree in computer science and engineering at Daffodil International University. From the very beginning, I have been fascinated by how logic and creativity together can turn simple ideas into meaningful solutions. That curiosity's work drives my work, whether I am coding, designing, or exploring new technologies. I have completed my SSC from Horistora Union High School and College and SSC from Kumila Shikha Board Model College, both with a perfect GPA 5. This achievement helped me build a strong academic foundations and motivated me to pursue my computer science with every even greater passion. I have built a strong foundation in C, C++, Java, Python, CSS, SQL, database management. Beyond programming, I have also solid understanding of computer network, compiler design, data structure, algorithm, and object-oriented programming. My key strengths include problem solving, team collaboration, leadership, and effective communications. I am quick to adapt, eager to learn, and always focused on developing efficient, maintainable, and human-centered solutions. Throughout my academic journey, I have worked on multiple projects that helped me to connect theory with real-world applications. Some of my major works include library management system, where I designed database and backend logic, and also student management system, result management system, task scheduling system, which improved my understanding of clean code, user experience, and scalable design. In digital logic design, I contributed a group project such as the Smart Gate Counter and Traffic Signal Controller simulation, both of which taught me teamwork, timing, and real-time system behavior. Outside academic, I also built some personal projects also. I am actively involved in several university clubs. I am member of CPC Computer Programming Club, which is the largest programming club in our country, where I regularly participated in contests. I am also part of DIU Film Club and DIU Photography Club, which helps me express my creativity and connect with people beyond tech. Beyond coding, I have learning, video editing, and digital design because I believe creativity plays a huge role in technology. Understanding visuals and storytelling helps me look at the problem from new perspective and communication ideas more effectively. Looking ahead, I aspire to work as a software developer focusing on areas like artificial intelligence and machine learning. My goal is to contribute to the innovative projects that solve real-world problems while continuously improving my technical and creative skills. I believe every new challenge is a chance to grow, learn, and create something that matters, and I am excited to keep doing just that. If my works or ideas resonate with you, feel free to connect with me, whether it's on LinkedIn, WhatsApp, through email. Let's share ideas, collaborate, and build something impactful together. I'm Sakibul Islam Naim, fashionable and adaptable, and I believe best innovation begins with the right connections. Thanks for watching, and let's stay connected. Signing off.